To change or swap out the sensors on your ARA-X4, first open the ARA-X software and log in as admin. You'll see Admin confirmed here. Select the ARA-X4 tab at the top of the screen. Then, in the left-hand menu, select the COM port and click the Read button at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up the most recent information from the ARA-X4 device. Select the Sensor Configuration tab and choose the sensor you'd like to change. Click on the Sensor Type drop-down arrow and select the new sensor you would like to install. Confirm the warning prompt. Be aware that this is a significant change to the device. If you're happy, click Yes. Then click Write to send the instruction to the device. Repeat this for any other sensors you'd like to change before disconnecting the device. Please note, swapping out a physical sensor will update the configuration settings, and you may need to perform a bump test or calibration to ensure the device is performing accurately.